Lionhearts, it's your old pal Jordan the Lion. How you doing? Well, this pile on my bed is all things that I'm getting rid of. It's all Clipper stuff. I'm so mad that they traded Blake Griffin and didn't even tell him, and he found out on Twitter. It just soured it for me, so I was gonna throw it away, and then I asked Sam Tripoli, my buddy, if he wanted this stuff, and he said he did, so I'm gonna take over all this pretty new Clipper stuff, plus the Steve Keen wall art, because they asked me if Jock could go over there and play with Pollyanna today, so I was gonna go over there anyway. So I'm gonna take this over and give this to him today. Daze with Jordan the Lion begins now. Alright, time for the drop off. Sam and I are taking John, Polly, and out for a walk before I head out of here. Haven't quite decided what I'm going to do yet, but I think I know for sure. Isn't that funny how I just said that? Haven't quite decided, but I think I know for sure. It's because I'm waiting on a call, and if I get that call, then that will divert what I'm doing. Otherwise, I'm going to do what I planned. How's it going, Pollyanna?
Pollyanna, look at the camera. What?
Alright guys, well I did not get that call, so we're not going to do that vlog. We're actually going to do what I was kind of planning on doing anyway. So we're going to go hop on the train and we're going to go down to Los Angeles City College. Every weekend they do a swap meet / flea market kind of deal, and I've never been, so I thought, you know what, I knew Ja was going to be gone today. This would be a good day for me to go over and spend some time and just get to explore and look around. So let's go. Alright, this is actually a pretty quick ride. This is only like 2 stops. Wow, I'm surprised the escalator's working. Usually on Saturdays it doesn't work because the jokers that have nothing better to do there's a button on the side you can push and it stops the escalator. So usually on the weekends it's already been pushed by now. I'm actually pretty excited to go to this swap meet today because it's a section of town I don't really ever go in, and I'm always curious as to what'll be there. But I used to go there a lot because my favorite pizza place used to be there. I think I still have money on my pass. Yes. Alright, I hear the train. That was quick. Like 2-minute wait. They usually all have some sort of theme. This one doesn't. Nothing that I can tell. Alright, well, it's actually down here. Well, even though that pizza place I used to go to hasn't been here for a long time, one of the things that we used to love to do over here, and it is still here, is they have kind of an old school arcade here. I don't think the tire's gonna fit in the trash there. And the Braille Institute's over here as well. That's why you see all these Braille trails. Those little notches on the sidewalk are the Braille trail. Now what's interesting is that like 2 blocks before you even get to the flea market, a bunch of people have set up stuff all over the entire sidewalk going up and down the street. Kind of an unofficial flea market. Check out this old 50s diner here on the corner. We'll have to come check it out sometime. I've actually never been there. Right next to it's the billiard hall. Then the arcade is right up there. Yeah, it looks like our kind of place, doesn't it? Alright, here we are. Let's do it. Alright, this should be fun. Never know what you'll find. Like I said, I never come over here, so. Well, it's kind of the usual stuff, not the old stuff, but it's got like a lot of shoes, a lot of like pharmacy stuff, and this place actually has free Bibles. Not really on the lookout for anything today. I'm just kind of, you know, looking around, having fun. I dig these shoes. These are pretty cool actually. They look like they'd kind of be my size. Like green, like almost jack boots, or I don't know, they're pretty cool. I like them. Those two. A little too flashy for me, but I like them. They look pretty cool. I actually like them, but they're a little stiff for my walking. It might be a little stiff, but I dig them. Well, Sam actually wanted all that Clipper stuff I took over there, so he's the proud owner of that. He was telling me that the Lakers had tried to trade, or they had tried to trade Blake to the Lakers, and the Lakers wouldn't take him, so I was kind of surprised by that. Ocho Cinco. A lot of this is all the new stuff. I'm kind of bummed by that. This looks like some kind of old hodgepodge of stuff over here, though. It's crazy. It is almost all shoes out here. I'm really shocked by that. This is cool though. Check this out. They turned a bus into their store. I love that. Oh, check those out.
Everything cheap.
Oh, that's cool. I'm a big fan of elephants. Those are elephant hooks, like coat hanger hooks. Oh, that's interesting. You see that? Analog digital trainer. Weird. Honestly, so far I'm not seeing anything that I couldn't get at like a 99-cent store. That's kind of a bummer. I was hoping to see something unique. Keep looking. Oh, cool top hat. Something to be said for that. Oh, this is interesting. A We the People shirt. Well, it's a good thing I come from the school of thought of sometimes just finding one thing makes the whole day worth it, because I haven't seen anything yet. This place has some really great DVDs, Blu-rays. Dead Poet Society, $4. I just saw Terminator. It's pretty good stuff. Stripes. See if there's anything in there. Well, if this continues to be a letdown, we are going to go in that old 50s diner. Oh, cool. Red's hat. I actually really like this, though. That's pretty cool, whatever that is. I'm not sure what style that is. Oh, way more cool stuff here. Oh, those are awesome. I think these are like bookends. These guns. Pretty cool. It's a pretty cool hat. Kind of a Jed Clampett kind of thing. I don't know if it's me. My head's too weird for it. Pretty cool though. Oh, that's hilarious. There's a juicer. Kind of like mine. Same brand and everything. Different color. 50 cents for a La Pizza Loca pizza warming bag. I used to know a lot of drummers that used to like to get a hold of those bags and use them for cymbals. Also in the 50 cents pile, Love Forever Changes. What a great album. That's actually pretty cool. This guy's selling all this stuff for like $5 a piece, and this is a Metropolitan Opera poster, and it's actually signed. I don't know if he knows that or not. Well, this is the Hollywood Forever booth. You can plan your funeral. I would not be surprised if the $1 that I paid to get in here was the only $1 I spent today. Moscow Mule, anyone? I kind of half expected to see some of the people I've seen at the Fairfax flea market over here set up the day before, but none. It's a whole different world over here. Oh, I do like this table. Check out those shoes for one thing. I couldn't wear them, but then look at the horse. Yeah, I dig stuff like that. It's good stuff. Yeah, that's awesome. Candle holder. Oh wow, that's unique. I like that too. That's interesting. Check that out. An old Magic Kingdom TV tray. Alright, well, Adam the Woo just got a TV tray. Oh, check that out. Fresh peanuts. Well, still nothing for me. And I'm still looking. Oh, Gilligan's Island. And the Smurfs. Oh wow. A Willow action figure. Remember Willow? That's awesome. There's a weird flexi hand and a Transformers belt. Oh, cool. Christy Yamaguchi ornament, Santa working out, and It's a Wonderful Life. I've never seen that before. Sweater machine? Look at that. That is so weird. Never heard of that as seen on TV. Oh, that's awesome. The lady was trying to get me to buy that sweater machine because I kept looking at it. She said, you can have it for $60. I said, I'm only buying it if it works. Have you made any sweaters? And she wouldn't answer me. Oh, wow, look at the old police helmet. I almost want to get one of these just to put my drinks in. Get a straw and do it classy. Anything in a frame I always try and look at to see what it is. And this, I was trying to read it upside down. I couldn't figure out what it was all about until I saw this. That's a cool picture of Bob Marley back there. I think this was kind of a fail for me today, unfortunately. If I would have been coming looking for sunscreen or a fake watch or, I don't know, vitamins, I probably would have been in better luck. Thought I had seen every variation on a Marilyn Monroe shirt there was, but now with the Guns N' Roses logo, that's a new one. Okay, that's a pretty cool watch. That's a pretty cool metal head of Lincoln. We just saw one of those out at Pioneer Saloon. Alright, Alright, well we are done and out of here. I didn't find anything for me, so we're gonna head out and maybe hit that 50s diner on our way out. Well, they can't always be winners, and sometimes it just depends on what you're looking for. Alright, let's try it out. We'll get something. Coffee, milkshake, something. Wow, pretty awesome. It's actually pretty authentic. Wow, this is pretty cool. Look at that. And they even have a, see the fallout shelter stuff? And they have some of it here, and some of the Eisenhower Nixon stuff. I love that, that's awesome. Look at that old TV up there. That's a real old one. And the posters on the ceiling. And I love this because there's a bunch of old wrestling posters up here. Bobo Brazil and everybody. And then here's Killer Kowalski when he was still Tarzan Kowalski. You can see Lou Thez mentioned up there. Then there's Vin Scully and the Dodgers. There you can see Duke Snyder. Sandy Koufax signed it, or at least facsimiles. Ask for Wild Root. Wow, this is cool. Wow. Wow, this is interesting. Can't believe I've never been in here before. I do like this. If you look right there, it says the Big Bopper Special Scramble. I think I'm gonna get like a Butterfinger shake or something like that. They have a lot of shakes. Key lime pie shake. I just feel like I should get some sort of like 50s soda fountain type food. Oh, check that out. S'more shake, the Elvis shake, the chocolate Elvis shake, peanut butter and jelly shake. So first I ordered the Butterfinger shake and then I canceled it and ordered the peanut butter and jelly, so we'll see how this goes.
Oh my god, sour.
Oh, my milkshake just got here. It's peanut butter and jelly milkshake. Looks so good. Alright, well I pretty much wiped that out. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit more before we leave of what you didn't get to see. They said they have a Tiki Room in the back. They don't serve people. Oh, Roy Orbison's playing. Let's go check it out. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. There's Elvis up there on the surfboard. Yeah, this is the Tiki Room. They say they don't really serve people back here too often, but it's all Tiki themed. Movies that are Tiki themed. Magdalena, look, Sophia Loren. Oh, that is awesome. I wonder if you can book this out for like a private date or something like that. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very cool.
Isn't that great?
I love it. Yeah, it's hilarious.
Like, no way.
No, you gotta save that stuff.
Yeah, that's
she's smoking. She's doing the dragon, blowing it out the nose.
So today.
And maybe the most perfect album to have on your exit out of here. Annette Funicello. Man, she was a beauty. Okay, my fear was that it was gonna be like the 50s diner from Ghost World, where it was like nothing 50s about it at all, other than just maybe a few posters, but the whole thing was 50s. It was really great. I enjoyed it. Check this out, LACC, the Herb Alpert Music Center. You gotta love that. Local hero here. You know, he used to have the big studio over there where Chaplin Studios once was. And now the old A&M Records is actually Jim Henson, so it's been Charlie Chaplin Studios, A&M, and Jim Henson. Well, unfortunately, the train is coming on the wrong side. It's kind of taunting. Hey, now there's a thought. I wouldn't mind going to the Philippines. Well, on the way home, I stopped off at a Goodwill, saw this chair for $15, and it's exactly like the old black one I used to have that I broke, so just a different color, same exact chair though. So I called an Uber and had them drive me home. Not too bad of an idea, huh? And when I got to my door, there was a bag from FedEx. I opened up the bag, and Puma came through. Puma sent me these shoes. I don't know much about them. I've never seen them, but they are that kind of knit material that that my Skechers are, and I'm not sure what I think about this. These kind of elastic tops. I may or might not like it because I really like high tops, but with those new low tops I got, my feet are sliding out of the shoe, but we'll see. I'm gonna try them on, see what they feel like. My suspicion is because the way they're made that you don't actually need the laces. They might just be for decoration, because I can't imagine if these are already, these are basically meant for you to just slide your feet in, so I don't, like I said, I've never seen these shoes before. I don't know anything about them, other than that they're called Evo Knit. Maybe I'll look them up online and see what the whole deal is about them. Now I'll admit that buying a chair at Goodwill is not always the greatest idea. You're asking for trouble, but it looked pretty clean, and I knew I had some disinfectant here that I could spray it down with, and I'm just gonna, I already did, I sprayed it and I'm gonna wipe it off now. Well, first off I'm gonna say this. I absolutely love the way they feel, and I love the way they look. I'm hemming and hawing about taking the laces out. I think it kind of looks better with the laces, even though I don't think you need them. And it's pretty elasticy around my ankle, so when I stand up, no fear of slipping out. I really, really like these shoes. Let's put on the other one. They're pretty easy to put on, actually. See, they just slide right on. I guess you can tie them up, but you really don't need to. I mean, wow, these are pretty cool. I like them. I'm guessing since you can slide them on and off, they're also just a one-time tire. You can just tie them one time and never have to retie them again. Sweet. Okay, these are like the 4 pairs of shoes that I've got over the last 3 weeks. I think I'm good on shoes. If you want to send me shoes, thanks but no thanks. I'm all good. Hit me up in a couple of months maybe, but thank you, but I am covered. Well, good evening, Lionhearts. I hope you guys enjoyed our day today. I have a big day planned tomorrow. Of course, tomorrow's the Super Bowl. But early in the day, I'm meeting up with a Lionheart. She's driving all the way up here from, I don't know where, but she's coming up here to go vlogging with me. We've been planning this for about 2 months, and we're finally going to make it happen tomorrow. This will be a great one. It's one that you all will want to see. I know it's asked for all the time, and we're finally going to do it. Have a great night. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you want to become a Patreon, go to patreon.com/JordanTheLion, and any of my other links are listed below. Have a great night. Goodbye.